Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another video with Crypto Ninjas. My name is Dale, and if you are looking for an online trading broker that offers the lowest spreads and top up the market commission, this video is for you. In today's video review, we are looking into Strifor, an online trading platform that's been making waves within the trading community. Whether you're just getting started or a professional trader, Strifor has some interesting features that might just catch your eyes. Let's get into it. But before we get into the video, make sure to subscribe to Crypto Ninjas for more content like this. And remember, I am not a financial advisor. Be responsible with your own investment. This is the official website of Strifor, and as you can see, they was founded in 2020, so they have about 5 years in the market right now. They are regulated by the Mauritius Financial Services Commission. This confirms their commitment to legality and compliance with strict standards. If you go to the website of the Financial Commission at financialcommission.org, then you can see that this is the certificate of membership provided by the Financial Commission to Strifor, right? With a compensation fund of about 20,000 euro. This is a huge plus for the traders, man. It adds a level of security and a client protection that many brokers don't even offer. The Financial Commission is like an independent organization that helps resolve any disputes between the traders and the brokers. Like in this case, Strifor, right? If you have any issues, you can file a complaint, and if it's legit, if it's passed, then you can receive up to 20,000 euros. Now, let's talk about some of the key advantages of Strifor that makes it stand out in the crowded world of online brokers. Okay, so in a rapidly changing market, they leverage cutting-edge technologies to deliver convenience and meet international standards. That's right. If you look at the platform that they're using, they use MetaTrader 5. The platform is very reliable, offering advanced charting tools, automated trading options, and the ability to trade multiple different assets, right? Duplicate trades, large database of indicators and advisors, notifications, whatever. This is the top of the market trading platform right now, and Strifor is one of the brokers that provide this kind of service. If you want to trade on MetaTrader using the Strifor broker, then you have to download the platform using the link, right? Either on desktop or mobile, depending on what platform or devices that you like. Together with MetaTrader, they also offer different instruments as well, right? So if you click on instruments and specifications, and you can see that as a multi-broker, they offer an array of trading tools to the clients, right? Explore a selection of over 250 trading instruments, right? From crypto CFDs, forex, shares, metals, indices, and commodities. Look at that, right? Some of the top performing cryptos are available on their platform. For example, like 1inch, Aave, Cardano as well. Atom is one of my favorite. We also have Binance Coin or BNB. We also have Bitcoin. We also have Ethereum, Dogecoin as well. Personally, this list is a lot, right? But I would love to see more meme coins within this list as well, because I love meme coins. But you can also trade forex if you're a forex guy. Have over 250 markets for you to choose. You can also trade some shares, stocks, and then metals as well, indices, or even commodities. So you can choose any that you like, and even if you don't see any instrument that you normally trade on different platforms but they currently don't have, then you can reach them via a Telegram or email, and they'll work to add it for you. So the level of support with Strifor is just top of the market. Besides the abundance of trading instruments, Strifor also offers some of the lowest spreads that I've seen and really insanely high leverage. So first of all is the spread, right? So if your account is at a basic plan, then you have like 0.1 spread, okay, which is crazy low. If you look at other platforms, they charge like what, 0.4, 0.3 pips, right? But 0.1 on basic with Strifor, really good, right? If your account is advanced, you can even have like 0 pips on spreads. Insanely good. The lower the spreads, the more profits you're gonna keep for yourself, right? And then if you look at the commission, they only charge like minimal amount of commission, 0.005 for indices, crypto 0.5%, on advanced crypto is like 0.4%, on professional crypto is like 0.35%. Again, some of the lowest rates that I've seen. Lower commission to the platform means, again, more profits to you. And not to mention, on a Strifor, they offer 1 to 500 leverage on margin trading account, right? Look at that. Margin trading is also available with a maximum leverage of 1 to 500. Now, I know what you guys say, right? Like, okay, we don't want high leverage because it can blow up our account, which is fair. But keep this in mind, Strifor is a platform for everybody. That's what they're trying to be, right? They're trying to be a trading platform available for, a beginner, also for professional traders. And beginners and professional traders, they have different trading plans and trading strategies, right? If you want low leverage, Strifor can also offer it to you, right? You're free to choose like 100 or like 20, 10, depending on your different strategies. What I'm trying to say is there are different options that Strifor offers, right? And that is good. You need a platform that offers a variety of leverage so that it's suitable for your own strategy. And the next thing that I want to mention real quick is if you are interested in Strifor, and if you want to deposit your money and withdraw and all of that, right? You can go to here and you can learn about deposit and withdraw. Everything is very open and everything is very transparent. You need to read through everything before you decide to ape in and deposit, because maybe there's some countries that restricted and whatnot. But yeah, look at that. This is very important that you need to note all these details, right? You can also top up using cryptocurrencies as well, so that's a very big plus. All right, and yeah, they also apply like anti-money laundering and counter-terrorist financing policies into their platform, so you don't have to be worried about the platform violating your rights and your rules and touching your money and whatnot, right? It's totally safe, so check that out. Okay, let's move on to something that's a little bit different compared to other brokers. Okay, the Strifor's promotions and programs. So first of all is the promotions. As you can see, they have different promotions for new traders. Okay, 50% trading bonus on deposits up to $5,000. Crazy. If you refer a friend, you can get $100 for each of your friends. So if you have a large community, you can really get a lot of passive income out of this. You can also get a 30% trading bonus if you trade on Strifor, and I recommend you to go over and read through all of this, right? The next promotion that they have is the loyalty program, which is also very cool. You can apply for participation in the loyalty program with a deposit of $10,000, and you will have access to improved trading conditions, as well as the best part, 18% per annum will be accrued on funds not used in trading. So basically, that is free money right there. That is an APR of 18% on your funds that are not used in trading daily. So that's crazy. But if you want to withdraw this amount of money, then there is something you need to read through, right? Again, read through everything before you decide to ape in. And lastly is the Strifor affiliate program, where you can earn a stable source of passive income if you have trading friends. Before we get into the program, let's look at some of the stats. $473,000 have been paid so far to 322 registered partners in over 40 countries. Okay, that is amazing. Now this is how it works, and it will blow your mind. Okay, if you refer a direct friend, then you can receive 100% of their rewards for the trading activity of this client. 100%, keep that in mind. Crazy. And if your friend refers like another friend or two friends, you can receive 40% from those people, and then if they invite more, then you receive like 20% from these people as well. So like different levels of that. So that's amazing. Again, read through everything before you decide to ape in. If you want to register to Strifor, this is really simple. Go to Strifor and click on sign up. If you don't have an account, just register using your email and enter password, your first name, your country of residence, the city, and just send them your phone number as well, and click on confirm and click continue. Use our referral link in the description for Strifor for added bonuses. Now I already have an account, so I just logged in, but I haven't completed KYC, so I would suggest you to do that right now to unlock higher transaction limits, gain access to new payment methods, enable trading accounts as well, right? If you want to trade, you have to complete KYC, but I'm just going to show you real quick. Okay, now if you want to trade, right, you can click on MT5, which is MetaTrader 5, and remember to download the platform first. All right, after you've done so, then you can create like a live or a demo account. Now, if you want to create a live account, you need to KYC, right? I haven't, so I couldn't, but I'm going to show you how to create a demo account, right? A demo account is basically free money, fake money. You don't cost you anything, right? Where you can practice your trading strategy. Okay, so if you click on trading account, you choose MT5 demo, which is MetaTrader 5 demo. Very simple. The currency of your choice is either euro, USD or USDT. Personally, I'm a crypto guy, so I'm just gonna select like USDT. The account type is hedging leverage. As you can see, you can select from 100 to 500 leverage. Personally, I'm not a high risk player, so I'm just gonna select like 100 leverage. Starting amount, don't really care, right? It's fake money, so you can choose up to $200,000, and you can click on add new account. And there we go. This is your demo account right here. This is the ID. You can also customize this ID by changing the name into, let's say, daily demo. All right. And you can switch between different demo accounts to basically monitor the kind of strategies that you have been performing and to see which demo account performs better. Once you are comfortable with your trading strategies on a demo account, you can click on live trading account and create one. That's it about Strifor, man. Overall, the platform offers some of the key advantages that I believe better than different brokers. So first of all, it's the high leverage, right? Up to 500 leverage, crazy, which can really boost your trading experience and give you different options to test different strategies. The next thing and the best thing is the low spreads. Again, one of the best spreads that I've seen in the market, starting from 0.1 pips for a basic account, really competitive, right? And even 0 pips for advanced and professional accounts. Crazy. Next is they have a wide variety of instruments, like 250 plus assets, including crypto CFDs, forex, shares, metals, indices, commodities, like anything that you like, they have it. And they can even support adding new instruments if you want. The next thing is fast deposit and withdrawal processing. Like it just takes minutes for you to deposit and withdraw the asset, especially for cryptocurrencies. And lastly, they use MetaTrader 5, all right, a reliable trading platform, the best in the market to run all of your strategies very smoothly. But what sets Strifor really apart is the membership in the financial commission. Again, this is a testament of trust. You know what I mean? This is a certificate of trust where it covers like $20,000 of your claim if there's any disputes. So this is like an added layer of protections for your funds, all right? A feature that many brokers don't even offer. So if you're looking for a secure trading environment with the potential for high returns, then Strifor is definitely worth checking. If you're interested, make sure to check out the link in the description and sign up on Strifor for added bonus. And as always, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more contents like this, and comment down below what you think about Strifor. Thank you guys very much for watching, and thank you very much Strifor for sponsoring today's video. I'll see you guys in our next one. Daily out.